Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse 1 here. So one of the things we've been talking about, obviously teamwork, trying to get everybody's wood stove in, get the rain catchment set up. So we are waiting to work on we got the T111 and the other boards that we needed for the shower room. So, but we're gonna wait till like 7 o'clock tonight to work on that so it's cooling down and it's not so hot, because it's been extremely hot today. So what we decided to do, I said, okay, who has all the stuff for their wood stove? And Jamie and Brandon and Dawn, they had all the stuff for their wood stove. So I'm like, all right, we're gonna go down, we're gonna get that wood stove in first, get that done. When we're done getting this wood stove in, hooked up, all ready to go, then we're gonna go over and help Sandy, because Sandy has all her gutter stuff here in place, ready to go. One of my biggest things for everybody, and I've talked about this, guys, for probably a few months, getting everybody's wood stove in before the snow flies, getting everybody's rain catchment set up, so that we can all start collecting water, so that everybody has water right at their place. So, it took a while for everybody to get all their stuff, but this wood stove is there. A lot of the piping and stuff is here. The hole, Mark just cut the hole here, and of course they got a nice area here, which is awesome. They're gonna have to obviously put some cement board behind, this as well, but we're in the process of getting these squared away. So we're going to go outside and around the back side so you can see what's happening there. If you guys remember the last time over at Jamie and Dawn's and Brandon's place, they were working on the deck here. That is done, looks great. They're going to eventually put some railings on this to do the, to make it safer and stuff like that. But yeah, so that way they can get in and out nice and easy now. So now we're gonna walk over here around the back side and show what's happening here.
I think we got a couple 1-foot double wall sections.
What happened now?
We were just making sure.
Oh.
Checking the spacing on between here and the wall.
Okay.
Make sure the gutter fits it.
Can it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
So I guess we'll mount this up and then adjust for the pipe you guys got.
No, grab the drill. Do you need hardware as well, Mark, or just the inside?
Yeah. Yes.
So the next thing is getting this piece on so they can get the rest of the chimney pipe up, and then they can work on the inside afterwards. Happy to get it in?
Yeah.
Yeah. One less thing to be in the way.
That's right, it's getting chilly at night. 75, 78.
That's right, that's right. Gotta make sure he has to make breakfast in the morning. So once everybody's got their wood stoves in, once every rain catchment setup is in, we will start working on getting more of the slab wood, get wood sheds for everybody, get wood cut up for everybody, and we're just gonna we'll go from place to place and go from there and get that squared away. Won't take long.
It's like with mine, because of the way I did my trim and stuff.
Right.
I'm gonna have to trim out around my plate because mine's square. Part of it, the top part's gonna be on that trim, so I'm gonna have to trim around all the way around it so everything sits level.
What are they doing?
Wait a minute. No, never mind. I think I cut it out.
Yeah, you cut it out.
Yeah, I cut it out. I had to cut it out in the trim so that plate would sit flush. I was like, what did I do?
I'm gonna show you. Look at little Rob's head. No, you stay still, so we can watch all the bugs flying around your head. Yeah, they're just. They're not fun. And of course, I don't have my head net on again. Here, I'll show you guys too. It's like they're just all over the place. So, good times. But yeah, so the hole's been cut. Next thing is getting this mounted, getting the chimney pipe up, and doing all that, and then that'll be, then the easy part is just hooking it up from the inside. But even this is not that difficult. It's not that entailed. So I want to show you guys. We're going to go back inside for a second, and I'm going to show you the air conditioner that they have.
Where's your head?
So, Brandon, I want you to tell people about this freaking air conditioner. Guys, I'm going to tell you why. This thing is awesome. Awesome. So go ahead and...
So yeah, it's a dual inverter air conditioner. So it's got a high inverter and a low inverter. So it doesn't use a ton of power once it gets it down to temp. It's 14,000 BTUs, SACC rated at 12,000. Pulls about 15 amps on high like it is right now, and once it kicks down onto the other inverter, we're running 2 or 3 amps.
Oh, that's not bad at all.
Very low power once it cools
once
it down.
Once it maintains.
Yeah.
Now, how long does it take to cool down?
Well, once we have the insulation in here, it shouldn't take too long. I have another one of these at my apartment, and in about an hour I can bring it from about 80 degrees down to into the 50s.
Oh wow, that ain't bad. No, that ain't bad.
With our generator we got right now, it'll run at about 12 hours from full.
Okay.
This, in-hose and out-hose all in one, so it doesn't create a negative air pressure, so you're not fighting the outside air.
Right.
It's supposed to be the most efficient one they make on the market.
That's cool. So there's an option, folks, for you. And how much did you pay for this?
About $700.
$700. Okay.
Occasionally they go on sale. You can get them for about $6 on sale.
So no, pretty cool system, pretty cool setup, and it's kicking out some seriously nice cold air.
Still got to get plexiglass for the window to get it custom fitted. We're not going to
Right.
cardboard and bags.
Yeah, that's bags and cardboard for right now. Hey, you do with what you got to do, right?
Yeah, that's better than having it open, wide open there.
Don't film us, we don't know what we're doing.
You're just kind of experimenting.
Say the same thing. What do they get to?
They sent us 2 of those. It's a single wall to double wall converter. Yeah, that was a bonus Easter egg we had in our kit.
We must not surprise. I really like this.
Yeah. Missing something?
What's that?
Missing something?
Nope. I'm just gonna go outside and put that guy to use that
Yeah, you're gonna need to center it though. That's what I'm saying. I don't like that. This doesn't fit very tight.
Right, right.
Get the instructions.
Yeah, because it should be a tighter seal around that. That's
because that right there is going to leak air to the outside.
Huge,
all
huge.
day long.
Unless you caulk the crap out of it with something.
Yeah, that doesn't fit very tight.
Yeah, that clip's in the way. I feel like if that clip wasn't there, it would be...
Like you said, unless you have to like pull it out a little bit, caulk all the way around it.
Anyway, guys, we're gonna jump off here, let these guys finish doing what they got to do. We will show you more of the finished product. Once this is all done, we'll run another video and I'll show you that. All right, have a good day. Prep Nurse 1 out for now.